This Ego string trimmer has one feature that every single string trimmer should have. It's really simple. It doesn't save you that much time, but it makes restringing your string trimmer so much easier. Why are you sitting there fiddling around, winding up the spools? You don't need to do that anymore. Let me show you how. To use this Ego Powerload function, you need to find one of the eyelets. There's two, there's one on either side. You need to make sure there's no string line left in here first. And to do that, you just remove the cap. This step isn't really necessary if you know there's no string line in there, but we can see there's no string line left, so we can put the cap back on. You need to find one of these eyelets. There's one on either side, there's one here, one here. Don't worry about lining up any arrows, simply bring in your string line, make sure it's as straight as possible. This is 125. You can also use 080 in here. Push it until it comes through. Pull half through onto one side. Make sure the battery's installed. And then simply press this power load button and watch it do all the work for you. How easy was that to simply press a button and rewind the string line? It was a little bit challenging to get the string line through. That's why I used 0.080, not the 0.125 that they recommend, just because I have more of that on hand. But threading string line onto a traditional bump feed head can be really challenging times two. So why don't all manufacturers just adopt a power load function like Ego have?